The front wheel on some of our bikes feature a nut axle. Here's how to safely insert these wheels into your bike. To do this job, you will need a 15mm spanner or a small shifter. First, ensure the forks are facing in the right direction with the brakes at the front. If you have trouble getting the wheel past the brakes, you may need to loosen the nut on the caliper to get it in. Now, lift the front wheel into the fork, with the wheel axle fitting into the fork slots. Check everything is centered. If your bike has them, check the retention washers are hooking into the little holes in the fork legs. Tighten the nuts on both sides of the wheel so they are firm but not over tight. Finally, remember to tighten the brake caliper again if you released it at the beginning.